My good friends, please don't let anybody deceive you by telling you that once that land document is stamped in court, that it automatically authenticates the document or authenticates the transaction, and you are you pay extra fee for the document to be stamped in court. I want to actually clear that misconception here because I met a client who also harassed me today by telling me that I did not take his document to court. I had to ask him, Oga, when you were buying this land, you understood that you were buying land? He said yes. And I'm very sure that you were not blind as it were. He said no. Why should I insult him? I said, okay, so why do you now want me to take it to court to stamp? For what? The law provides that it is only when that there is an illiterate jurat or a blind person's jurat in a land document or any contract whatsoever that that said document will now be taken before a magistrate, a notary public, or a commissioner for oaths to witness the fact that the content of that document was read to the party who is blind or an illiterate as it were as at that time, and then the magistrate, the commissioner for oath, or the notary public will now append their signature under to say that they witnessed the fact that that document was read and explained to the party who was blind and or illiterate, and the party understood what he was entering into before he signed. You are not blind and you are not an illiterate. You understand that you are buying land. Please, you do not need, you don't have any business with court after buying that land. If you want to take it a step further after buying the land to register your title, please go to the lands registry. The lands registry in the jurisdiction where that land is situate. Go there and take further steps with respect to either your title or the land itself. The court is not the institution that registers title or authenticate document, especially if the title to that land is not in dispute and is not before the judge. You don't need any court stamp to authenticate your document now. Just execute that document and go home and sleep. I hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly click the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much for having me, and enjoy the rest of your day.